Scenery. Not the scenery.
There's the Bud Girls.
Statue on the hill. I got your beers. Beers and a wine. I can't cross your legs. You want a beer too?
Jennifer, dance with Jason.
Jason, dance with Jennifer.
Yo, whoa, yo.
Jason, grab Jennifer.
No.
Oh.
No, you drink that.
No, don't jump,
He
Jennifer.
can't have any
Stab.
more
Let
tea.
Jason lead.
Drink beer with it, Andy. Don't just drink apple.
Oh, I know. I'm getting tripped on too.
Remember, you gotta do 3 hours or 2 hours in a car.
Really, it was Mark.
And it's like Puke City.
Yeah, I asked Barb.
I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to.
Boy, I just got all the sayings tonight, don't I?
What? Who is that? Will you quit doing that?
Joe. Whack! That doesn't work.
Yeah, but you're the one who gets this.
What? That doesn't work.
Okay, do it how you would.
One foot at a time before we turn. Now on sunflowers is leaving here.
Mommy, I need to go pee.
Love you too.
Love you. And you. Love you.
What's your song?
Hey, come on, Park.
Kentucky moonshine could never take your place.
Your eyes give me goosebumps to my toes.
Your eyes give me goosebumps to my toes.
You're like the only rooster in the hen house, I guess it shows.
You're like the only rooster in the hen house. I guess it shows.
Oh, hi.
What was that one joke that Harry...
Now we put little words, or put little tunes to it. Put some tunes to it now.
You got 5-year-old daughter.
You're so sweet.
You're so sweet.
Horseflies keep hanging around your face.
Horsefly.
Kentucky moonshine.
I need to go pee.
This is one of Jennifer's jokes now. Grab it real quick. This is one of Jennifer's jokes. There's a duck. He walks into a pharmacy. He picks up some chapstick and some suppositories. And the guy goes, will that be cash or charge? He goes, put it on my bill.
Oh, no.
Payback or hell.
Should be. To the right.
Lush.
Right between my legs if you look really close.
That's what it looks like. Daddy, before it gets dark over here, guys. That's what you look like from the back. What? Who?
No, just 1/8.
You got the dog's attention.
Mark's been drinking much beer today.
Feel beer.
Few beer. Actually, he had much beer. And the much beer has to go somewhere. So let's find out.
Let's go find out where it is.
Ah, what's that up there? It's like one of those bloody paperweights that you get. Yes, yes. I understand.
I'm in Germany. Hi, Mom.
Oh, bitte.
Down here.
Where are we at? We're before we reach Bingham. And this is the lights over the hill. And how romantic this is.
Oh, I'm focusing on a light.
The castle's on fire.
Castle's on fire. This is a reenactment
Jennifer, look
of
up.
the kingdoms and fighting.
She can see.
So far, I've seen the land.
Come here, Jen. On your, put your arm around my neck.
Figures.
Oh, they can't be all for that. There's more. Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go. Oh yeah. You know, dude.
I knew y'all were American.
She knew you were American before I knew you were American. No, when I heard you say shit, then I knew you were American.
I just stood under the total wrong umbrella. Where's Dean? Woo! Sorry. Stood under the wrong umbrella. Has anybody seen Dean?
What do you think, Tracy?
You alright?
Good?
It's okay. Watch the fire. Mom, can you hold this umbrella? I gotta get out. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Has anybody seen Dean?
Beautiful.
You guys over there in the grass area, you can see them.
The guy.
I don't remember this part. Mom.
Oh, baby, do it to me good. Come on. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Bitchin', man. Totally cool.
I can hear them, but I don't know where.
Oh, dude.
You can hear what?
I can hear Sheridan Barb.
How'd you like to walk into the parking lot so we can see this better?
I want bread.
She's getting excited. She's warming up again. Ah.
Hey, grab my monster. Grab my shellfish with your mom. Look at the fireworks. They're all going off at once. Here. Here we go.
Oh, was that fun? Hi. No, I'm recording. Hi. That was good, huh? Leave me, Jason. Okay, now let's go around. Hold this hand.
Brötchen, ja. So mitnehmen.
Noch, wenn wir uns den Ring durch 3 teilen, vom Sparmaß.
Hi.
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 Yo.
Mom.
Okay, back this way. Excuse me. This way.
Because you said sometimes it's not such a good weather.
Hola. Yo, dude, homeboy, yo.
Oh, you're not German. Wait a minute.
And you thought we were?
You fooled me.